Hi everyone, my name is Sheeba and here I am to talk a little bit about my journey at MPH. Why I started MPH was to get more stronger, be more fitter and more confident in my everyday life. How I found about MPH was literally Googling the best rated PTs around me, and I found this place with a 5-star review. I must be honest, I was a bit skeptical in the beginning, but from my very initial consultation to my very first session with my coach Dana, I knew why they would be 5-star worthy. And here is I wouldn't say the end result, but here's my journey that I can definitely vouch and say they are 5-star worthy. So what frustrated me or what made me want to start my health journey from the beginning of this year was literally me walking up a slope, and it was not even that inclined, but a little bit of inclination, and at the top of it I started like huffing and puffing. And for me, I was like, that was I call it the light bulb moment, when I realized enough is enough. I now need to do this for myself. I need to get more fitter and more stronger, and I can't go back to where I've been. What I've achieved working at MPH so far, and it's only been 11 months, has been losing 35 kilos and overall 155 centimeters, which is amazing. More than physical transformation, it's also been a mental transformation for me to stay focused and more confident and to know that I could achieve this. Why I would recommend MPH is because I have come across trainers, but to know that someone truly cares for you, that makes a whole lot different. Because I would have to say about my coach Dana, because she has seen me through my worst and my best, all my ups and downs, and more than the physical transformation, the mental strength that she has given me and made me realize why I started it and what I want to achieve, and help me stay on track. That's the reason why I would recommend MPH. So the two advices I would give is, first one definitely being, do this journey, whatever the health journey you have started with, do it for yourself. That makes all the difference. That makes you stay motivated and true to yourself, and you would reap the benefits in the end. The second advice is, please be patient and kind to yourself. We are only human. There would definitely be ups and downs. There would definitely be slip-ups, but please be kind and patient, and you would achieve what you want to achieve in the end. That's all. Thank you.